Hey guys, this is Let's Go as Danger Dave this time. Little pirate man. Here I am with the DJ Royale again. And I'm going to try to find a way to set this up. I'll discuss a bit as I go along. Now, what you're going to see in this, I'm going to try to scoot over so you can see me playing guitar a bit. But anyway, what you will see in this is his mix from Punjabish. And I think that's an Indian dance. We'll have to clarify that later. Anyway, interesting things. There's a lot to unpack in this, and all I'm going to do is like a rhythm part. And in said rhythm part, let me get a view of this again. I'm just never satisfied and then too easily satisfied sometimes. Don't tell anybody that. Hurry. So somehow we got to arrange. Yeah, that's my cockpit here. You know, it's not a lot of space, but I work with what I got, right? So, what we're going to look at here is a breakdown of the, the basic chord structure. What you're going to have is as close to we can discuss it in Western terms is going to be it's going to be in minor, and we start with a minor 1, major 6. And then a major 4th plus, and I couldn't tell you the exact diatones that it is. I could run it through the tuner, I guess. I'm not going to bother. But you notice me pulling what is on the 7th string currently. I'll be pulling the, say it, Deb, say it. It is a D. I'll be pulling the D. Because this is in, what is it? This is apparently C sharp minor, maybe B minor. Oh man, I feel, hey, I'm getting old. I don't know. I'll figure this all out later and correct myself. However, we're just going to do a run through. You'll see what I'm talking about. The next step is a traditional, thank goodness, after you get out of trying to straighten the chords out. Well, you run to a traditional minor 1. Come on, Dave, figure it out, man. These guitars confuse me so much. It's right there, and that would be one of the strings. So this is E flat. Yep. B flat, 2 F, 2 B flat. Well, maybe do it sharp. Wow, C sharp, F sharp, and then the D. D, C, yes. All right, got that all figured out. Weird setup. Anyway, let's do it. Nothing to it but to do it. And if I make some mistakes, well, if I'm landing on the 1 when they're hitting the 6, then I'm like 2/3 right. So it still works. I hope that's the worst that I do. Let's see what happens. Come on, baby. Just a little run through. It'll make more sense once we're playing.
This is a DJ Royal Irish Bhangra remix.
And that's going to do it for that much of it. That is, oh goodness, almost 3 minutes into what appears to be about 15 for the whole mix. And they always change up. Pretty cool. I'll be exploring more of it, but I've got two I really like so far. The one you might have seen earlier today. Anyway, that's Dave out for the moment. I'm going to see about downloading it, alright? It doesn't get the video stop thing very well. Oh, there's my food.